No better than this. 텅 빈 맘을 채워줘 너만의 숨결 그 한 가지로.
Look like a snake. Hello and welcome back. So as you can see, I am in my little chit-chatty setup just because I sold the dresser in my corner, and that is where I would set up to do my makeup, and because now I don't have a dresser and there's like this big empty space right there, I kind of have to like shift over and film videos over here, but I've done this before so it'll be fine. So for this week's video, I just wanted to film this little chit-chat get ready with me, just telling you what my summer plans are, everything that I'm going to be doing. I'm getting ready for nothing honestly, but I just wanted to go ahead and film this video because I leave for Cancun very soon and I want to make sure I still have a couple videos on my channel. So yeah, if you want to get ready with me, then just keep on watching. Keep on watching. So I did my eyebrows off camera and now I am back. I always do my eyebrows dark even though my hair is blonde just because my root is literally the color of my eyebrows. So I'm not gonna do anything. But I know that if I go like full blonde, I am gonna like keep my eyebrows dark because I like how that looks. I would probably look weird with like blonde eyebrows. So we're not even gonna try it. Who's that in the corner? Is that Jin? Yeah, it's Jin. Better, brighter, smarter, bigger, faster. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start on my eyes and then I will, you know, talk to you guys about everything. But I'm just gonna like fast forward it just because I can't talk and do my eyes. When I start doing my eyeshadow, I just start going to like beauty guru mode or I'll just stay quiet throughout the whole thing. And if this is a chit chat, get ready with me. I can't really be chit chatting if I'm quiet. So I'm just gonna go ahead and just put some music over this clip. And then once I'm on my face, we will start, you know, chit chatting. Okay, so now that the top part of my eyes are basically done, so my eyes are basically done, we can just start talking. I can start chit-chatting. How fun. How exciting. I will have all the products linked down below, by the way. So first things first, I'm just going to go ahead and prime. I'm using the MAC Light Strobe Cream. This is a little sample that I got. And I used it once, and I really like how it left my skin. Speaking of skin, I'm so excited. So, I'm going to Cancun this summer. So I'm going to be doing kind of like a fun vacation vlog. Hopefully I can vlog, especially because it's Mexico, so I won't really mind as much, hopefully. We are going for 2 weeks or a month. We still haven't decided. Hopefully we stay for a month, but at the same time, I don't know if I'd want to stay for a month just because being so far away from home for like a whole month, that can be very exhausting. And we are going to stay at my uncle's house because he works at this resort. So we won't have to pay for hotel, which is very nice, especially because we are going for so long. Just staying in a hotel for 2 weeks seems like a lot to me. It's like just a lot of money. So I'm very grateful that he like already bought his house when we are going. And then the resort that we're going to, he actually works at as well, so we won't really pay for the resort, which is also very nice. It's another bonus, so we're very grateful for that. I also bought a vlogging camera. I bought the Sony a5000. I actually wasn't supposed to buy the camera. It was just me like compulsive shopping at like 2 a.m. in the morning. I was just like looking at vlogging cameras on YouTube just because I always wanted one, but I was just gonna buy one in the future. A while back I did want to buy one for my trip to Cancun. Hello. I wasn't going to. I was just gonna vlog on my phone, and I was probably gonna take my DSLR. I was just researching them, and then the Sony a5000 came up, and then I did more research just on that specific camera, and then I ended up buying it. The thing that I heard is that it overheats a lot, but some people say it's fine, and some other people say there's overheat, so I guess it's kind of hit or miss with the overheating. But I don't know if I should do a little vlog before I leave, just to like kind of test out my camera. If anything, I will just do the little vlog and not upload that, but I do kind of need content. I'm gonna blend it out with the same sponge that I used to blend out my foundation, just because I feel like it'll help with the blending. And then I put some on my forehead just to kind of slim it down, because I have a big forehead. Is there a way to reduce your forehead? Why am I asking you guys this? So about Cancun, you know, I'm going for about 2 weeks, bought a vlogging camera, going to vlog my entire trip. I don't know how it's gonna be as far as like me uploading. Like, I think he has Wi-Fi, but it's whether or not we'll have time, because once we're there, it's not like we're gonna be at home for like a long period of time. We're going to like, you know, be out and like doing things. So I wonder if I'll even have time to vlog. I might have to like pull all-nighters over there, which is not fun. It is what it is, you know? I feel like recently I've been a little bit more faster with my editing. Not my uploading, just my editing. Just because now that I have Final Cut Pro, it's like a lot easy to edit like in the style that I do edit. But when I used to edit in iMovie, it would take me so long to edit. It would literally take me 3 days to edit, just because I would like get so like lazy, or something would happen and I'd get so unmotivated, and I would just stop and I'd be like, okay, I'm gonna do this later. But then later would turn into tomorrow, and I wouldn't finish editing till like 3 days later. But now I'll edit like in a day, in a full day, like if I don't have anything to do that day. But honestly, considering it used to take me 3 days, I'm kind of happy about the whole day and a half. I love Sarai does the most perfect like face blend, and I love how her face just like, her contour just always looks so blended and pretty. I also finished my first semester of college, so I am officially now a sophomore in college, which is very fun. Kind of scary because like I get my associates pretty soon. I don't think I'll get my associates till I'm a junior in college, just because I am a whole semester behind. I'll most likely be done by my first semester of my junior year in college. I did pass all my classes. I also passed Japanese 1, which is probably the class I was most stressed about, but because that's the class that I did like the most studying, and I feel like that's the class where I did the most work. Well, besides my economics classes. Those were a lot of work, but economics is fun to me. I don't know. But Japanese was so much fun to learn. As far as like my skills in Japanese, I can only kind of like tell you what I'm doing. I can basically tell you what I'm doing, at what time I'll eat. I think I can tell you what I'm eating, just like basic things. It was kind of hard because you are learning 3 different alphabets, and they're like all symbols, and it's 3 of them. My pronunciation is not the best. I know all my hiragana. I still don't know my katakana. I haven't memorized that yet, which is very important because you kind of need that. And then I know a little bit of kanji, like the numbers. I did sign up for Japanese 2. I'm gonna sign up for Japanese 3. I'm just like gonna keep going until I no longer want to learn Japanese, or I want to switch over to a new language, or I at least finish learning Japanese. So here's an update on Persona. I'm still listening to it. I still love it. I think my favorite song on the album is Make It Right, just because every time the album starts, I always skip to Make It Right. Everything is literally dying. My camera is at red. My computer is at red. You can tell when my monitor is like about to die because it'll just start slowing down. Everything might have moved around because I did like change batteries in my camera. Time to contour this nose because this nose is looking not cute. So is this what we're doing now, son? But speaking about BTS's Persona, I haven't really been keeping up with my K-pop recently, which is really horrible, I know. Ace recently came back. Their music video is on my watch later, so I'm gonna watch that later, probably after this video. I love Ace. They are very underrated. They're super cute. They're very talented. And like, June is my bias, and I swear at some point June was gonna be my bias wrecker. I also haven't started any new dramas, so if you by any chance watch dramas and have any really good recommendations, please leave them down below because I really want to get back into them. I've been watching Inuyasha, and then I've just been watching a lot on Netflix recently. And normally I don't watch American TV shows. I feel like the most TV I've watched was literally the K-dramas that I watch on my computer. I feel like I kind of made that line crooked. A little bit. Just a little. You see how I just stopped talking to you guys about my life? Like halfway through, I just started like wanting to like finish my makeup, that I just like stopped talking. This channel, I'm gonna keep uploading. I'm very happy. I am almost to 200 subscribers, which is super sweet. I like how I'm tucking my hair behind my ears as if I didn't have this headband. I just want to thank everyone who subscribes and who watches my videos, because that absolutely means the world to me. And the fact that I actually have people who watch my videos and like subscribe because they like me really means a lot to me. So thank you very much. I didn't even think I'd go past 100 subscribers, to be honest, just because my YouTube channel isn't a secret, but it kind of is. I don't really tell most people about it. It's just one of those things where if they find out, they find out. I don't really like brag about it. It's in the description of my Instagram and my Twitter, but I think that's it. I'm not gonna put any highlighter on my chin or my forehead because I kind of have a whole bunch of breakouts there. So I'm just gonna pack it on to my Cupid's bow. Kind of tired. Like, I want to take a nap. I really do not know how to overline my lips. I am not thriving in that aspect at all. Alright, and we're basically done. This is the completed look.
Oh, no better than this. 쓰러진 날 일으켜 세워줘 너만의 위로 그 한마디로.
Alright, hopefully you guys enjoyed this little chit chatty get ready with me. I know I'm always all over the place when I like talk to you guys or just do a get ready with me. That's because half the time I never know what to talk about, and when I do, I either take that and I carry it way too far and then I just repeat myself, and I always repeat myself. Like, repeating myself is the #1 thing that I do most, if you couldn't tell by now. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this makeup look as well. It's very similar to my last look. The only thing that I did different was I didn't apply glitter to my lid, and instead of just keeping the dark shade out like on the outer corner, I brought it in. So if you do want like a more detailed makeup look, then go ahead and watch my last video. I will have it linked down below for you guys, or when you see the end card, it will be there for you just to click on, because I know some of you are lazy, because I'm lazy. So I know you guys are lazy. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a wonderful rest of your day, and I'll see you all next week. Bye.